Hello, class. Today we would like to teach about noise in communication system. Okay. The outline about this topic is noise definitions, noise effect, and type of noise. We will discuss today, and thermal noise, signal to noise ratio will be discussed in next topic. Are you experienced this before? Can you listen those noise around your environments? Can any one of you define the noise? Okay, so for this topic, the objective is to define the noise, to understand the noise effect on the communication system, and to distinguish the type of noise such as thermal noise and shoot noise. Okay, noise. What is noise? So in a communication system, we have the information audio video data will go into our transmitter, and this transmitter will transmit our information through a channel. The channel can be a free space, wire, fiber optic, cable, and etc. And then will be received by our receiver, and this information will be covered. But noise will appear in the channel. Okay, this noise is an unwanted signal. Any unwanted signal introduction of the energy tend to interference with the proper receptions and reproduction of transmitted signal. Noise is a random signal that exists in a communication system. Okay, what is random signal? Can be represented with a sample equations. Okay, how about noise effect? Noise will degrade our system performance for both analog and digital system. We can see in these pictures, when our TV come out the noise, we cannot get the channel clearly. Degrades of the level of the quality and the receiver signal at the receiver. So the signal that we received is not clear, and the receiver cannot understand the sender, and the receiver cannot function as it should be. That's why it will reduce the efficiency of the communication system. Okay, next we will discuss about type of noise. In noise what is noise? Noise is a undesired couplings energy transfer from one circuit or medium to another. Okay, for the noise we will have two types. One is external noise, another one is internal noise. For the external noise, it generates the outside of the device or a system. Okay, the main make noise. For example, the people talking, and the natural resources noise, such as the atmospheric noise, solar noise, indication noise, and crosstalk noise. About the internal noise, it generated inside the receiver or a circuit system due to the random movement of the electrons in a electronic circuit, such as thermal noise, Johnson noise, and shoot noise. Okay, any phenomena by which a signal transferred on one frequency create an undesired effects on another, we also known it as noise. Okay, now we go to external noise. First external noise is the atmospheric noise. Static noise due to the effect of thundering, okay, lightning, and less frequency affect effectively and less severe at the frequency above of 330 MHz. Okay, like this noise is the thunderstorm noise, and with the lightning. Okay, next we will have solar noise. Is the radiation of the sun introduce the noise to the electromagnetic wave. So you can look in this figure. Next, we will go to a cosmic noise. Cosmic noise is an electrical noise generated from the galaxy. The distant star around the sun also radiates the high temperature RF noise. It will attenuate the original signal of receptions. Effect of this noise to the communication signals is very less due to the presence of ionosphere regions. And this ionosphere region is covered over Earth, and it will reduce the noise. Number 4 is the man-made noise. Mainly is due to the automobile indications, electrical motors, switching equipment, leak of the high voltage line. Okay, natural noise is also variable and is difficult to analyze. It's on any basic statistics, and the range of the frequency is from 1 to 600 megahertz. So you can see in this picture we have the noise from the fan, okay, we have the noise from the machine, and we have the noise of talking, and etc. So this one is the man-made noise. Next, we go to internal noise. Internal noise, we have the first one, short noise, is caused by the random arrival of the current variable holes and electrons at the output element of an electronics device, such as an diode or field effect transistor FET or bipolar transistor BJT. Short noise is sometimes called as transistor noise and identified with the thermal noise. Next, we will go to thermal noise. Thermal noise is produced by the random movement of the electrons in the conductor due to the heat agitations. And we can see here, okay, from this circuit, inside we have the mobile electron that move inside the resistor, and when we have the voltage supply, the movement of the electron form a kinetic energy in the conductor and relate to the temperature of the conductor. And when the temperature is increased, okay, the movement of the free electron here will increase, and the current will flow through the conductor. Okay, so the current flow through is due to the free electron will create the noise voltage NT, and the noise voltage NT is influenced by the temperatures, therefore is called as thermal noise, and it's also known as Johnson-Nyquist noise or white noise. Okay, now we go for exercise. Identify the noise based on the figure. Okay, first figure, what is this noise? You can see a sun, and to the our earth, it is solar noise. Second, you will see our earth have a lot of helicopter, car, speaker, guitar, and what is this? Should be da-da, man-made noise. Next figure, and you see this one, you have lightning and thunder. What is that? Da-da, atmospheric noise. Next, we see this one, we saw a circuit. What is this noise? Thermal noise that happened in the circuit. Then we see this one. This one is short noise. Okay. Summary of the topic. Noise. What is noise? Generally, we have two types of noise. What is that? And what is external noise? And what is internal noise? So remember to answer the questions. Noise is the unwanted introduction of the energy tending to interfere with the proper reception and reproduction of the transmitted signal. We have two types of noise, which is external noise and internal noise. For the external noise, we have atmospheric noise, solar noise, cosmic noise, and man-made noise. internal noise, we have thermal noise and shoot noise. Okay, next class we will go detail to the thermal noise, noise power and voltage noise, and signal to noise ratio. Please bring your calculator for the next class. Thank you. Bye. Remember to subscribe my channel and happy learning.